Remember that every sample you receive and every testing you conduct can translate to a job created, a life improved, a business enterprise grown, and a nation propelled towards progress. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Your reach is, your cover in the entire nation is so huge na very crucial, pati yung mga systems na managing even your data, the confidentiality of your data, the value of your data is very important. So, let's continue to push the boundaries of science, technology, and innovation in your own fields.
It is mandated by law that we have to put genderless in all the programs and services. And I'd like to make mention that when we say genderless, it's not okay that we just have to say there are this number of men and this number of women. The first thing is we should be able to identify what are the issues concerning the programs that we have, how we deliver, and then as we deliver, dapat we were able to respond to these issues. And that should make it gender responsive.
As always, yung ating USEC is a bringer of good news, no? So narinig natin there are initiatives being done for our laboratory personnel as well as yung upgrading ng ating mga services. Now, with that, malaki ang responsibility natin, no? Kasi yung trust and confidence nandito. Ganun na high level yung expertise ng ating mga tao na kaya nilang magbigay ng technical advice, no, when they see things as they visit. So I'm proud. I was very proud nung narinig ko sila.
Kayo even if mga hindi permanent ang iba because gusto ninyong makatulong because nakikita niyong DOST can make a difference. DOST provides solutions and open up opportunities. We will work with the Secretary for this objective, and that's OneLab is for. Thank you very much.
Like a brand new pair of jeans. I feel like taking chances. I feel a lot like 17. I feel like windows roll down new city streets and cabs. I feel like anything can happen. Laughing, you take me right back when we were kids. Never thought I'd feel like this. Like when I